Just a little hole is all we need to get by. Ah! My facial hairs. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Ant. If you're new around these parts, basically all I do is play in makeup. I shop too much, I'm awkward as fuck, and sometimes I might talk a little shit. Today we're doing I shop too much. If any of those things sound, you know, in your ballpark, or you just want to vibe, or be by me, or you just want to be a new bestie, go ahead and hit that subscriber button, boo, and join this beautiful ass gang, because who wouldn't want to be a beautiful ass person? Yeah. If you are not new around these parts, hey boo. We're trying on a wig today. I know. Also, I know I've been slacking this week, depression, but you know, I wanna make up for that. Let me make that up to you. At least try. So we're gonna do this video. I'm gonna be installing this Amazon wig. I haven't looked at it outside of the packaging, you know. What the wig comes in, now that's cute. That's cute. I'm also gonna be traveling this week, so I apologize if the videos are gonna be chaotic, because you know, I got things to do. I got a plate full of things to do. I also want to apologize for the chaos so early in this video. As you can see, this area is cleaner. Just gotta get the shoe situation situated. Don't worry about that. We're just gonna focus on this hair. I also want to take the channel in a, not like a different direction, but since my uploading is so chaotic, because I just be posting whenever, I want to do a challenge. I don't know if this is a super old challenge, but I was watching YouTube and it came up when they were talking about Corey Kenshin and how he did a 100-day upload challenge where he would post videos every day for 100 days. And I was like, yeah, I want to try that. I want to try that. Now, initially, that sounds very stressful, but I want to do it anyway. Stress and me are best friends or whatever. Okay, anyways, you didn't click on this video to hear all of my rambling for the first 2 minutes, a minute and a half, some change, whatever. You clicked on this video because you wanted to see if I could install or inspect or review whatever. You're here for the wig. I'm here for the wig. You here for the wig. I'm here for the wig. I'm mainly installing this wig because of that Alaska trip that I'm going to be taking. But, you know, nevertheless, I'm here to put on the wig. Okay, so this is the plastic it came in. This is the packaging it came in. This is the wig I ordered. This is how much I paid. This time I hope that it's actually human hair too, because... This is cute. Okay, so you know normally when you get, or when you order wigs, you get like your wig cap, maybe a brush. It's very rare in my shopping experience that when I order a wig, it also comes with lashes. You know your girl will hope for these lashes. I love lashes. And these look actually really, really cute. So I'm gonna put these on in a different video. Your girl is feeling a little spoiled. I'm just saying. It's always the little things that make me feel spoiled anyway, so, you know, whatever. Anyways, digging deeper in the package, you got your basic wig cap. That's it. That's all you get in the bag. Obviously, the hair. Now, this is a deep 24-inch transparent lace 13x6 150 density. We gonna see. All right, so let's take this off of the wig. Immediately disappointed. What did I say it was? 24-inch, sorry. When I said that, I imagined a 26-inch long, but you know, curl patterns and straight wigs, the length always, it's different. It's not the same. So here is the wig. Let me back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. It smells real. Smells real, smells real. Doesn't feel like synthetic. Just comb brushing it with my fingers. A little shedding going on. Just a little shedding. Alrighty, so let's take a look at the inside of the wig. Okay, so immediately, no, I'm kidding. It's nice, it's cute. So you got all this deep space in here. You got the two combs right here on the side. You got the lace piece in the back that hopefully I don't forget to cut off. And you got this little comb right here. I like the color on it too, I do. I'm sure there's gonna be a gray hair in here somewhere, a red hair in here somewhere. Look at that. Right there. I can't show you because I don't think it'll show up on the camera, but just know that it's there, okay? I really like this curl pattern too. I like it a lot. Right, let's go ahead and put on our wig cap. I need to invest in a trash can is what I need to do, because I just cleaned this whole foyer and I'm just treating it so bad. Ow, my face. Oh my goodness. Egghead ass. Grab all them babies, stuff them in there, put that kitchen in there, I mean. Yeah. Okay, now that we got the wig cap on, I'm a little egghead-ish. That is all right there. I don't think I'm gonna go as severe and do like the whole gluing thing. I don't feel like it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like it. That bold hold gold did stick very, very well. So, you know, I can see that. I like it. I'm just gonna say I like it. The black bottle, the one that I'm staring at down here, if you're wondering what the hell I'm looking at, that works very well too. So, you know, very good investments. So now that we have that on, I'm gonna spray my faux scalp. This spray smells ridiculously good. That's why I'm overdoing it. Ooh. That's just me not feeling like getting up to go get a real napkin. Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's all we doing over here. Now that we sprayed that part, we're gonna spray the inside part of the wig. Wait a damn minute. Are we? I grabbed the wrong spray. God dang it, Aunt. You friggin' idiot. Maybe it'll just create extra hold, you know? We don't know. Place the wig on our head. Oh my God, my fingers are so sticky now, bro. Whoa, wait a minute now. I'm gonna peel the cap back and I'm going to, cause I got it right where I want it. There we go. Now I got it right where I want it. And I fibbed. I'm gonna actually use this and I'm gonna put this right here. I want this bit to stay. I don't want it to go anywhere. And I don't feel like doing my hair out there. So this will have to do. This specifically to put it on the skin, not on the hair. Why do I keep making these random ass noises? I don't know, boo. You tell me. Dripping down my face. Dude. I might regret that. Again, I left my blow dryer in the bathroom. So I'm gonna go blow dry, add another layer, and then we'll come back to the snippage, slayage, and layage. We'll be right back after these messages, folks. All right, so we are big. We've got this lovely little hair tie on, band, whatever, elastic. It doesn't feel as tight as I think it should be. Ooh, shut up, Aunt, shut up. Oh my God. I sound like that one Wayans brother in that movie. I love that movie though, but I can't remember the name of it. This feels tight as hell. Tight as hell. Anyways, we're gonna do some snipping. Oh, that's so tight. Okay, anyways, are we really gonna cut it, or are we just gonna, are we just not? Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Is that clear to y'all? Can you see it? Oh, I could lose my whole skin, all of it, right here on the YouTube. There we go. Just a little hole is all we need to get by. Ah, my facial hairs. Yes. And then we could just take some alcohol or whatever to clean that up. So don't even, okay? Just section it. Yeah. Blank Man, that was his name. It's a funny movie. I'm gonna go back and watch it. It's been a minute. Oh my God. I think I put too much. Okay, so here's the thing, right? As I am snipping this, I just now realized none of the bolt hold glue stuck to the wig. I put it all on my forehead and didn't let it melt into the lace where it needed to be. So I'm gonna snip this off. I'm gonna go do a round 2. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassing. This is embarrassing. I'm gonna snip my ear hole. I'm sorry, hair. I'm sorry. Alrighty, so we are back and hopefully I managed to glue the wig on the right parts this time. Oh my God. So it has definitely been a minute. Oh my God. That one hurt a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. And we got some crustaceans going on over here. Don't quite know what that's about. This little piece right here, sticking up, needs to be sued for disturbing my piece. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try and brush back the little pieces because I'm gonna spray now. Yay! Reminded me of that little character from Sesame Street where she's like, yay! Is that Sesame Street? I don't remember. Ow! I really just combed the whole freaking ear canal, man. I mean, it works, right? Right? So don't judge me. We got some slipping. I'm gonna spray it, slay it, and then we'll come back for the final review. This is her. Alrighty, so this is the wig. I know I sound underwhelmed, but I promise you, I love it. She is so pretty. Look at her. Look at her. She's got the little bounce to the ounce. You see what I mean? But yeah, just look at her. I love it. I love the curl pattern. Like, I was a little nervous in the beginning that she was not going to be thick enough. I'm not gonna lie. I thought she was gonna look a little... But she came out gorgeous and I actually really love her. I'm so excited to wear her to Alaska, y'all. I don't think you understand. Let's see. Let's talk about the shedding. Yeah, that stopped. That stopped immediately. It stopped. As soon as I started actually combing through it and after I was done snipping and then I combed through it again, next to none, okay? I think when it came to styling, which is really just water and some mousse, I got a little bit of shedding, but it wasn't like excessive shedding, like you know, your cat or your dog, when they sit on something, they could just be walking by and they'll leave a trail of fur. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't even near that bad. The shedding that I showed you in the beginning is equivalent to the shedding I got when I was styling it. And again, styling being very loosely used, okay? I just added water and some milk. But yeah, I like her. And like I said, she's 24, 150 density. I almost forgot to show you the back. Hold on. This is the back. Yeah. I don't know if you saw everything, but I hope you did. Ah! Freaking flies, man. I always want 160, 180, but I think this is perfect. The density on this one is perfect. Oh, she's so soft. And I am not letting my cousin steal this one. She can't have it. She took my Shein one, which is fine, you know, which is fine. I can just order another one from somebody else. But yeah, if you like this unit, I'll leave it down in the description box below for you, as well as the hair products that I used. Let's see, what else? If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. You know, like it, you know, you want to. Go ahead, just hit the like button. Also, if you're new around these parts, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join this beautiful ass gang. Always wanting, always welcoming. And while you're over there, there's a notification bell. If you click it, I know, if you click it, it'll let you know any and every time that I upload, okay? You don't want to miss it, okay? I'm trying to tell you, girl. I'm trying to tell you. Comment something if you want to. That's nice. And until then, I will catch you next time, boo. Bye.